Welcome and good morning. Today's meditation is designed to help you start your day with focus and calm. By dedicating just a few minutes to yourself each morning, you can enhance your attention, reduce stress, and set a positive tone for the day ahead. As you settle into a comfortable position, take a deep breath in, filling your lungs completely, and then exhale slowly, releasing any tension you may be holding. Close your eyes and let's embark on this journey together. Begin by bringing your attention to your breath. Notice the gentle rise and fall of your chest, the coolness of the air as you inhale, and the warmth as you exhale. With each breath, feel yourself becoming more grounded and centered. Allow any thoughts or worries to drift away like leaves floating on a stream. There's no need to chase them or push them away. Simply observe them and let them go. This moment is for you, a precious time to cultivate inner peace and clarity. Now bring your awareness to your body, starting at the top of your head. Scan down slowly, noticing any areas of tension or discomfort. Breathe into these areas, sending them warmth and relaxation. As you move down your body, feel each muscle soften and release, like a gentle wave washing over you. Imagine yourself standing at the edge of a beautiful forest. The air is fresh, and the morning sun filters through the trees, casting a warm golden glow. You feel a sense of calm and connection with nature. As you walk along a soft, mossy path, you notice the birds singing, the leaves rustling in the breeze, and the smell of the earth beneath your feet. With each step, you feel more at peace, more connected to the world around you. Allow this tranquility to fill your entire being. Let it anchor you in the present moment, freeing you from any lingering stress or anxiety. Now, take a moment to set a positive intention for your day. What is it that you wish to achieve? It could be something simple, like being kind to yourself and others, or something more specific, like completing a task or project with focus and dedication. Whatever it is, visualize it clearly in your mind. See yourself accomplishing this intention with ease and grace. Hold on to this image and repeat silently to yourself, "Today I am focused. Today I am calm. Today I am capable of achieving my goals." Feel the strength and positivity of these words resonating within you. As we come to the end of this meditation, gently bring your awareness back to your breath. Take a few more deep, cleansing breaths. Feel the energy and peace you have cultivated flowing through you, ready to carry you through the day. When you are ready, slowly open your eyes. Take a moment to notice how you feel. Carry this sense of calm and focus with you, knowing that you can return to this place of peace at any time. Thank you for joining me this morning. I encourage you to share your experiences and thoughts in the comments. Your journey is unique and valuable, and by sharing, we can all inspire and support each other. Have a wonderful day filled with focus, calm, and positivity.